Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about home, family, and living this life that God has so graciously blessed us with. Our channel is full of content that I hope encourages you, inspires you, and most of all helps you on your journey. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you will get notified every time new content is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every video. Hey y'all, welcome back. I've got two more quick and easy hotel cooking air fryer Instant Pot meals, okay? This is going along with my little collab I'm doing, okay? They're easy, y'all. I didn't do but 2 or 3 steps. That's it. It wasn't really anything that I felt like that, was hard, that you really just needed to see. I can talk you through the process, y'all. The next night's meal that we had, you remember out of the tilapia that I bought? Well, we had like 2 more fillets left, and I had marinated them all day. No, you know what? I didn't even marinate these. I just threw these in the air fryer with some seasonings on top, and then I cooked them. I think it was like 375 for 4 minutes on one side, and then I flipped, and with some seasonings on top. Then I flipped them over, put some seasonings for 375, 4 minutes on the other side. Flip, season. That's all I did. Okay, then I had 2 tortillas left over. Perfect. I made fish tacos with those. Okay, some of the coleslaw some of the cabbage that I had left over, I made like a tartar sauce kind of coleslaw, and went perfect with the fish tacos. We had those. We put a little bit of slaw on our tacos, fish tacos, and then we just had some to eat as a side with it. And then, y'all, I just grabbed some chips and salsa we had left in here. That was supper. I was able to stretch those tilapias out to 2 meals. And I told you I thought I could in that first video. My shopping haul, look at my grocery haul, okay? And then, the next night, y'all, it was so simple. The next night was, let me think, y'all. It was simple. Let me think. Brussels sprouts. And I had some chicken tenderloins left from the fajitas that I made. Okay, we had like 4 tenderloins left. I just took those tenderloins, y'all, put them in a Ziploc bag, let them marinate all day long in some olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic. I took a few leaves of my basil plant over there that I've got in the window, and a sprig of rosemary. I let that marinate all day long in the refrigerator. My Brussels sprouts was nothing but a bag of Brussels sprouts from the freezer section at Walmart, and I cut the little ends off of them. I threw them in the steamer basket. I put them in the Instant Pot on steam for 3 minutes. 4 minutes, excuse me, which actually my husband told me I could let it go for 1 to 2 more minutes because he kind of likes his a little more mushier than I do. I like a little more crunch. So 3 to 5 minutes, y'all. You steam them in the Instant Pot. Now I transferred them from the Instant Pot and put them in a bowl, and I tossed olive oil, a little bit of lemon juice just to kind of cut down on maybe some of the bitterness from the Brussels sprouts, and salt, pepper, and some seasonings, y'all. That's all I did. I just grabbed seasonings, y'all. I just till it felt right in my soul. Okay, y'all know me. I'm here and there. Okay, salt, pepper, seasons. That's it. And I put them in the air fryer, 375, and I think it was like 8 to 10 minutes, but halfway through my air fryer tells me to shake it. I flip them over a little bit, but I put the little chicken tenderloins on top of the Brussels sprouts. So I actually cooked 2 things in the air fryer at one time. Okay, and the chicken was perfect. Okay, then I took the rest of that head of cabbage. I never made it around to taking that cabbage and doing something else I was going to do with it. I'll do it later. But I took the rest of that cabbage and I put it in my Instant Pot on the Sauté mode, and I did olive oil, salt and pepper, some seasonings, and some chopped up onions, and I just did fried cabbage in the Instant Pot. Just enough to wilt the cabbage because I wanted it wilty but still kind of crunchy. Okay, so fried cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and chicken tenderloins. Air fryer, Instant Pot. Y'all, it was less than 30 minutes. I had a meal on the table. Okay, there you go. There's 2 more meals right there. That finished up my week on that grocery haul. Okay, so there was was that 4 or 5 meals? I forgot, y'all. There was either 4 or 5 meals I got out of that grocery haul. You're welcome. And all of them were less than 30 minutes? I put food on the table for 2 people in less than 30 minutes. So, that's last week's collab. This week, we're going to be doing something different, and I'll be sure to get videos of those, y'all, okay? So, y'all just hang in there. I got some more cooking coming for you. See you in the next one. Oh, y'all see my little project back there? Y'all, I've been working on this project. I started it 4 years ago. And I got the pieces all together, but I got stuck and I needed some help. But my husband's mama and mother got sick, and they were supposed to have helped me, and both of them got sick, and they got sicker, and they passed away, and I put it up. I just put it up. I couldn't do it. I got it out, and I'm like, you know what? Yes, I'm going to finish this. Yes, I am. I'm going to finish this, and I'm working on it right there. I'm going to let y'all see what it looks like when I get done, okay? See y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for next week when I'll have some more Instant Pots going. I might, if they're simple meals, I just might run them all into one video, y'all. I don't know. Just depends on how I put this together, okay? But that's what, 2 or 3 separate videos. I might just do a collab and do one long video of all the meals, okay? See y'all in the next video. I forgot to tell y'all at the end of that video, there's pictures included, so stay tuned. I'll show you what our suppers look like. Sorry, this old gal's getting old, okay? See you in the next one. Maybe the next one. Yeah, if I don't forget something else. See ya.